Tucked right in the heart of Bulgaria's famous sunny beach resort strip, the Kuban Resort and Aquapark has earned itself a reputation as one of the busier, livelier spots along this stretch of the Black Sea coast. With hundreds upon hundreds of reviews across the major travel sites, it's clearly a hotel that draws crowds year after year, and for good reason. Sitting at the sunny beach 8240 address, it puts guests within walking distance of the sand, the main strip, and pretty much everything that makes this part of Bulgaria such a popular summer destination. Travelers looking for an affordable, all-in-one holiday with a splash of water park excitement tend to land here, and the feedback paints a picture of a place that does the basics very well. So let's take a proper look at what guests can actually expect when they roll their suitcases through the front doors. The rooms at Kuban Resort and Aquapark are designed with one main goal in mind, and that's giving holidaymakers a comfortable base after long days spent in the sun. Guests consistently mention that the rooms are spacious, which is a real plus in a category of hotel where cramped quarters are often the norm. Families in particular benefit from this extra elbow room, since suitcases, beach gear, and inflatable pool toys have a way of multiplying during a seaside getaway. The rooms are kept clean throughout the stay, with housekeeping earning particular praise from visitors who appreciate walking back into a tidy space after a morning at the pool. Wi-Fi access is available throughout, which is a basic these days but still worth confirming for anyone planning to share holiday snaps in real time. Most rooms come equipped with the standard comforts you'd expect from a resort of this size, including air conditioning to beat the Bulgarian summer heat, private bathrooms and balconies that offer either pool views, garden views, or partial sea glimpses depending on placement. The hotel building is tall enough that higher floors give some genuinely lovely panoramas of the surrounding resort area. Plenty of good lifts keep things moving even during peak check-in hours, which is something guests have specifically called out as a small but meaningful perk. For families, connecting rooms and larger configurations are typically on offer, and the overall layout works well for groups traveling together. While the hotel doesn't advertise itself as heavily into smart tech or high-end gadgetry, what it provides is reliable, practical, and aimed squarely at people who just want to enjoy their holiday without fuss. When it comes to dining, the Kuban Resort and Aquapark leans into the all-inclusive model that works so well for this part of the world. The main restaurant operates as a buffet, serving up a rotating spread that covers international favorites alongside a healthy dose of Bulgarian classics. Guests have praised the dining room staff as amazing and very friendly, which makes a real difference when you're queuing up for breakfast eggs at 8 in the morning. The variety tends to be wide enough to keep families with picky eaters happy, with pasta dishes, grilled meats, fresh salads, and a sweet selection of desserts available across meal services. Vegetarians and those with simpler tastes generally find something to enjoy, and the rhythm of mealtimes makes it easy to plan a day around eating well without having to leave the property. Beyond the main buffet, the resort typically features additional snack outlets and poolside dining options where guests can grab lighter bites between swims. Burgers, pizzas, fries, and ice cream are usually the order of the day in these spots, which works perfectly for kids and for adults who don't want to change out of their swimwear just to eat lunch. The bar service has come in for warm praise from guests, with one reviewer giving a big shout out to the staff on the bar for their friendliness and attention. Cocktails, local beers, soft drinks, and the usual all-inclusive lineup of spirits are typically on offer, and the bar areas often serve as the social hub of the resort once the sun starts dipping. For anyone who likes a relaxed drink with a view, there's usually a comfortable spot to settle into. The pool area is where Kuban Resort and Aquapark really earns its name, since the aquapark element is one of the main draws for families booking this hotel. There are multiple pools on site, including larger swimming pools for general use and dedicated children's pools that give younger guests a safe, shallow place to splash about. The water slides are the headline attraction, offering enough variety to entertain kids, teenagers, and the occasional brave adult willing to relive their youth. Loungers are spread generously around the pool deck, though as with any popular resort in peak season, the early birds tend to claim the best spots near the water. Umbrellas and shaded areas are available for guests who want to escape the strong midday sun, which can be intense along the Bulgarian coast. The hotel's central location in Sunny Beach means that the actual beach is only a short walk away, putting one of the longest stretches of soft golden sand in Europe right at guests' fingertips. The Black Sea here is famously gentle, with shallow waters that slope gradually out from the shore, making it ideal for families with small children. Water sports are widely available along the beach itself, with jet skis, banana boats, parasailing, and paddleboards all on offer from independent operators. Beach loungers and umbrellas can be rented directly on the sand, though guests should expect to pay separately for these as they're not typically included in the hotel package. Between the on-site aquapark and the easy beach access, water lovers are genuinely spoiled for choice. For guests who like to stay active on holiday, the hotel offers a respectable lineup of activities to fill the daylight hours. Daytime entertainment programs run by the animation team usually include things like water aerobics, pool games, dance lessons, and friendly tournaments that get guests mingling. Volleyball and other casual sports are often organized on the beach or around the resort, giving anyone with a competitive streak the chance to flex it. A fitness room is typically available for guests who want to keep up with their workout routine, though most visitors to this kind of resort tend to consider climbing the stairs to the slides exercise enough. The pace is relaxed but never boring, and guests can dip in and out of activities as the mood takes them. Evening entertainment is a strong point at Kuban Resort and Aquapark, with reviewers noting that the entertainment was every evening and was close to the pool. This setup is exactly what most holidaymakers want, since it means you can grab a drink, settle into a comfortable spot, and enjoy the shows without having to wander off into another part of the resort. Programs typically include live music, themed shows, dance performances, and kid-friendly entertainment earlier in the evening before things shift to more grown-up fare. For anyone interested in exploring Bulgarian culture, the surrounding area offers easy access to historical and traditional experiences, which the hotel can usually help arrange through excursion partners. It's the kind of place where doing nothing feels like an option, but doing a lot is just as easy. The wellness side of things at Kuban Resort and Aquapark is more modest than what you'd find at a dedicated spa resort, but there are still options for guests who want to unwind. Sauna and steam facilities are commonly available at hotels of this size and category, providing a relaxing way to ease tired muscles after a long day in the pools. Massage treatments can typically be booked on-site, with a range of options from quick neck and shoulder rubs to longer full-body sessions. These services are often delivered by visiting therapists or contracted partners, and prices tend to be very reasonable compared to what you'd pay back home. It's a nice way to add a touch of indulgence to a holiday without blowing the budget. For guests who prefer something gentler, the poolside loungers offer their own form of therapy, and reading a book under a Bulgarian sky with the sound of distant laughter from the slides is its own kind of detox. The resort doesn't heavily market dedicated yoga or detox programs, but the overall atmosphere encourages relaxation in its own simple way. Plenty of guests find that just the change of pace, the sunshine, and the unhurried rhythm of the days does more for their stress levels than any structured wellness program could. The key is knowing what you're booking, and Kuban Resort and Aquapark is honest about being a fun-first family resort rather than a meditation retreat. That clarity actually works in its favor. Families with kids are well looked after at Kuban Resort and Aquapark, and the children's offering is one of the reasons so many parents choose this property. A kids club typically runs throughout the day during the busy season, with trained staff organizing arts and crafts, games, dance sessions, and themed activity afternoons. The children's pools and the smaller, gentler water slides give younger kids their own dedicated splash zones where parents can relax knowing the depth is manageable. Mini disco evenings, where children get to dance and run around to upbeat music, are a long-standing favorite and a great way to tire little ones out before bedtime. High chairs in the dining room and family-friendly meal options round out the experience nicely. Older kids and teenagers also have plenty to keep them entertained, since the aquapark and main pool areas appeal across age groups. The resort's central location means parents can take older kids for short walks along the strip to grab ice cream or explore the shops without straying far from home base. Many parents report that their kids come away genuinely worn out in the best possible way, having spent days running between slides, beach, and pool. The friendly, smiling staff who always seem ready to answer any question add to the family-friendly feel of the property. It's the sort of place where children make new friends within an hour of arriving. When it comes to nearby attractions, the Kuban Resort and Aquapark is exceptionally well placed. Sunny Beach itself stretches out just steps from the hotel, offering kilometers of soft sand and the warm waters of the Black Sea. Luna Park, a classic seaside amusement park with rides for all ages, is an easy outing for families looking for an evening of bumper cars and roller coasters. Action Aquapark, a larger standalone water park in the area, gives guests another option for a full day of slides if the on-site facilities aren't enough. Casino Hryzantama offers a bit of grown-up nightlife for guests who fancy trying their luck at the tables, and it's part of a wider entertainment scene that comes alive after dark. The Sunny Beach bus terminal sits about a kilometer from the hotel, making day trips to the historic old town of Nesebar, the city of Burgas, and other coastal spots very easy and affordable. Nesebar in particular is worth the short journey, since the old town is a UNESCO-listed site packed with ancient churches, cobbled streets, and harbor views that feel a world away from the buzz of Sunny Beach. Shops, supermarkets, pharmacies, and tourist services are all within easy walking distance of the hotel, which makes restocking on essentials or hunting for souvenirs simple. The strip itself is packed with restaurants, bars, and clubs for guests who want to venture out for the evening. The location really is a strong selling point all on its own. Looking at the overall picture, Kuban Resort and Aquapark earns its loyal following by delivering on the things that matter most for a family beach holiday. Cleanliness comes up again and again in guest feedback, with one reviewer describing the hotel as clean everywhere all the time, which is no small feat in a busy property. The staff are repeatedly praised as friendly, helpful, and smiling, which sets the tone for the entire stay. The location is genuinely excellent, the rooms are spacious, the food is reliable, and the aquapark gives families serious value for money. With nearly 900 reviews on TripAdvisor and almost 600 on Booking, this is clearly a hotel with a substantial track record. That said, no resort is perfect, and the same factors that make Kuban popular can also be its weak points. During peak season, the property gets busy, queues can form at the buffet and the slides, and the early morning sunned dash is a real phenomenon. Guests looking for a quiet, refined hideaway should look elsewhere, since this hotel is unapologetically a lively, family-focused destination. The wellness and fine dining offerings are limited compared to higher-end resorts, and the overall vibe is more cheerful than chic. But for the target audience of value-conscious families and groups, the trade-offs are easy to accept. What really makes Kuban Resort and Aquapark stand out from the competition is the combination of an on-site water park, a central sunny beach location, and a price point that keeps it accessible to working families. Many resorts offer one or two of these, but few manage all three so well. The reliable cleanliness and the consistently friendly service give it an edge over similarly priced competitors. It's a property that knows exactly who it serves and delivers what those guests want without pretending to be something it isn't, and that honesty is a refreshing thing. While the hotel doesn't position itself as a major events destination, larger resorts of this size in Sunny Beach typically have meeting rooms or function spaces that can be used for group bookings, small conferences, or special celebrations. Tour operators and travel groups regularly use properties like this for organized holiday packages, and the staff are experienced in handling larger group arrivals smoothly. For anyone considering a destination wedding party or a family reunion, the hotel is worth contacting directly to discuss what's possible. The guest experience highlights at Kuban Resort and Aquapark come down to the people as much as the property itself. Reviewers single out the housekeeping team for excellent service, the bar staff for their warmth, and the dining room team for being amazing and very friendly. These small human touches, repeated day after day across a long stay, are what turn a decent holiday into a memorable one. Combine that with clean rooms, big pools, sunshine, and the gentle waves of the Black Sea, and it's easy to see why so many guests come back year after year. For families chasing a sunny, splashy, sociable summer escape, Kuban Resort and Aquapark delivers exactly what it promises. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.